Hi guys, welcome to your video lecture. So we are inserting kind of another day of work in here. I heard that the heal, feed, and sustain video didn't go quite as expected, and that could have been because the worksheet was just a little bit confusing. So I wanted to go in class. We're actually going to watch it again. You're welcome to if you're at home, and I actually suggest you do so that you can answer these discussions. So we're going to go to modules. It's day 1. So heal, feed, sustain discussion. It says, hi guys, so I know some of you struggled understanding what I was asking you to complete for the heal, feed, and sustain the video. To help in person, we're going to rewatch the video. I suggest if you have time at home to also rewatch the video, the link is right there. It's about 20-25 minutes. And it's really going to help to make sure that you're answering these questions like you should. And just a kind of reminder, and you might pick up some things that you missed the first time. So the most important thing you all gained from watching the video was a better understanding of the jobs in the biotechnology field. So remember I talked about how awesome it was, just this whole section of biology here, of science here, that biotechnology, it's pretty limitless as long as you have the creativity and the knowledge about the organisms that you're working with. You can really do, you have the possibility to do just about anything. So it's really cool, and it does have a lot of job fields. If you are someone who likes to creatively solve problems, this might be a possible career for you. Looking into it, you can, like we saw in the video, you can go into the agriculture field, talking about how to best create products or practices that are best for agriculture. You could go into the medical field with this and start designing just different either drugs or equipment or really anything to kind of help, or processes again to help people in the terms of like medical. So they talked about, I think, like a burn victim, they can now grow new skin cells, like that's biotechnology. Or you can also go into the sustainability side of this, so looking at different ways, innovative solutions to the climate issues that we're having and just the environmental impacts that we humans are putting on the earth. I believe one of you said, and I know who it is, but I don't know if she wants to be outed, so I won't say, but she said that she would like to work in the sustaining field just because it seemed like such a creative way to solve problems, and it's something that she feels particularly passionate about, just saving the world and helping the environment and just preserving what we do have. So that's really cool. Like I said, there are many, many jobs in this field, but I have some questions for you. So after you've rewatched the video, I suggest it. It's been a couple days since you've watched it. Will not hurt you to watch it again. So for this discussion board, I like to answer the following questions as a reply. Answer choices are in bold, so some of them, like multiple choice, you can copy and paste and just delete the ones that you don't agree with or you don't choose. So which student do you most closely identify with? In which setting would you most likely to work? Which has the most exciting discoveries in your opinion? Which section of the video was most interesting? Which area do you think provides the most benefits? And which employee did you most identify with? And then question number 7 here is a bit of a long one, but let's pretend you are a group of biotechnology scientists, so your class, and I'm investing $1 billion into your company. I want to know, the catch though, is that you have to choose one of the branches of biotechnology, heal, feed, or sustain, that you'll be doing research on. So you can't get the money until you decide which branch you're going to kind of put your money into. You can only choose one. So please provide evidence. So choose one. So would you put your money towards heal, feed, or sustain? And tell me pretty much why. So why you would like to, but I want you to provide me with some evidence that from either from the video or from lectures that supports your choice. So you must have at least 2 of the scientifically supported evidences as to why we should choose a field. So pretend that I am an investor and you want to sway me to your side. So say maybe I was leaning more towards the agriculture side or the field or the feed, but you want to invest in heal. So tell me why you think heal is most important. Your job is to convince me with your writing. So this should be complete sentences, very scientific, very correct grammar and correct spelling and all of that good stuff. So remember, you're going to push this big reply button to be able to reply to me. Type, copy and paste this part, type your answer to number 7, click submit or post reply. You'll be able to see your classmates as well. All right, guys, I hope that makes sense. I hope you get what we're doing today. Looking forward to seeing, especially with number 7, what you have to say. Have a great day.